and I really didn't know that you will get these things in the middle of Bangalore in Jayanagar, and they both are fighting each other in the mouth to give its prominent taste. Try with the first bite. Oh my god, this is so thick. Hi, hello, namaskara, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? I hope everything is fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Hog and Hop with AK. So today it's Sunday evening. Today we have come out to unique food joint near Jayanagar that is called Yelnir Adda, and so the speciality of it is, as the name goes, we have everything to do with coconuts and its malai, right? So this is very near to Jayanagar bus stand. You can just take a straight road. It's just 200 meters from the bus stand. So now let's go and try out how exactly do they make. Come with me.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೋಹಿತ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಎಳ್ನೀರ್ ಅಡ್ಡ ಅಂತ, ಜಯನಗರ್ 4 ಬ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ವೈಫ್ ಹೆಸರು, ಅವ್ರು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಐಡಿಯಾ ತಂದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಳ್ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬ. ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಗಂಜಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, ಶೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿಂತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸರಿ ಈ ಥರ ಎಳ್ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಳ್ನೀರು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಐಟಮೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲ್ಪವೃಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀನ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮನೇಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ R&D ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ತರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯುನೀಕ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಟೇಸ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಳ್ನೀರು ಹಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್, ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್. ಅದೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ USP ಅಂತ. ಕಾಯಿಂದ ಹೂವು ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾರೆ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು, ಅದು ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಟು ಬಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಯಾರೂ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಕೇರಳ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಳ್ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಮನ್ ಟೀ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಳ್ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಳ್ನೀರು ನಮ್ಮದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ,
ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಬಿಡದಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು 22 acres ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 800 trees ಇದೆ.
Now that he's given me such a big list of things to try and everything is unique here, I will definitely try one by one, but I'm really not sure if I can try everything at once. But if this is the case, then I might have to drop here every weekend. Let's hop into the menu and then we'll order something. Come on. How about we go ahead and order tender coconut fruit delight. Mango pulp already ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Now once this malai with the flavor of your choice is ready, it will be added with the choice of the ice cream flavor that you want as a garnishing on top of it. Oh my god, that's really looks mouth filling. To enhance your taste buds, they garnish it with cashews, pistas and badams and raisins as well. looks so filling. And just to add on top of that, some honey. This is a complete package. So this particular shake is completely with fruits, mixed fruits, and added with malai. It has been grinded in the mixer that you just saw, and then on top of that we have a flavor of ice cream with extremely rich dry fruits. Let us try with the first bite. Oh my god, this is so thick. Oh my god, this is so mouth filling, guys. Literally, this is so mouth filling. In the first bite you have the tender coconut, the malai that we call, and at the same time you're getting the dry fruits with the flavor of the ice cream that has been added. So in the middle you're getting so many fruits that is added with this malai, and the cut fruits that is there in this, it's adding too much of flavor and the diversity in your mouth. So that every bite you make, the juice of that fruit gets mixed with the malai, and this abbreviates the taste of this dish. I would definitely recommend you to come and try the dry fruits and the fruit delight shakes here. And not to forget, do not miss the crispy dry fruits that has been topped on this dish. So this embryo will be cut out from the shell and then it will be placed in a plate. There. This is very spongy. It's really spongy, and this almost reminds me of a good sugarcane taste. This is not very easily available. It is very rare to find, and I really didn't know that you will get these things in the middle of Bangalore in Jayanagar. Let us just take this. Oh my god, the halwa is super hot, and at the same time you have vanilla ice cream, and you can see the vapors from both of these things, but the only difference is this is cool and this is super hot. And this is garnished with crispy dry fruits. I cannot wait to taste this. But before I mix both of them and taste it, I would definitely want to try the halwa just like that.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Google rate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Thank you, sir.
Wow, this is really splendid. So you get the freshness of the tender coconut. As he was rightly mentioning, this is all about tender coconut that is being grind and then heated so much to make the halwa out of it, rather than the regular coconut burfi that we eat. And I'm very sure this is very healthy, and it will boost your immunity, as he mentioned, because we are using tender coconut and at the same time they are using jaggery, and there is zero usage of sugar. Now let us try this with the ice cream. So the vanilla ice cream is what suits best for the halwa. Let me mix both of them. Let me take a small bite of this ice cream and the halwa here. Let me mix it up and take along the dry fruits on top of it, and then let me taste this. Too good. you're getting the cold ice cream and at the same time the hot halwa getting mixed, and they both are fighting each other in the mouth to give its prominent taste. And at the same time, the badam tells that, hey, I am not less, let me also give you my taste. This is really a splendid dish these guys have done here. I would really want you guys to try this. Keep this for the last, because the last dish you taste will stay in your mouth for a couple of hours. I need good amount of time without the camera to cherish this taste. And until next video, bye bye, take care, stay safe.